Transform your Wix website by adding read more links, instantly elevating user experience and keeping your visitors hooked. Ever noticed how a huge block of text, especially on your blog or product descriptions, can be a little overwhelming for your visitors? Well, today we're diving into a simple yet powerful feature within Wix that will make your content much more digestible and your website navigation a breeze. We're talking about implementing read more links. Let's start by heading into your Wix Editor. Navigate to the page where you have your long text content. This could be a blog post, a detailed product description, or even an about page with a lengthy bio. For this demonstration, we'll focus on a blog post. Now we need to decide where our read more link will appear. This is usually at the end of the initial, shorter preview of your content, so click and select the text you want to trim down. Think of it as the introductory snippet that will entice your readers. Once you've highlighted your text, look for the link icon in the toolbar that pops up. It often looks like a chain. Click on that to open the linking options. You'll see several options for where you can link to. Since we want this read more link to take users to the full version of the same content, we're going to choose the page option. From the drop-down menu under page, select anchor. This might sound a little technical, but it's simply a way to link to a specific spot on the same page. Think of it as a bookmark within your content. Now we need to create that anchor. Scroll down to where the rest of your content begins. This is the part that will be hidden by default and revealed when someone clicks read more. Click on the first element of this longer section, like a heading or the first paragraph. In the settings for this element, you'll usually find an option to add anchor. Click on that. You can give your anchor a name, something descriptive like full post or content start. Works well. Make sure the name is easy to remember, but it doesn't need to be anything complex. Now, let's go back to that snippet of text where you want your read more link to appear. Click on it again to open the link settings. This time, when you selected anchor, you should see the anchor name you just created in a list. Select it. Finally, delete the rest of the text you had highlighted for the snippet and type in read more. You can also customize the appearance of this link to match your site's design. Hit publish, and voila, you've just enhanced your Wix website's user experience. Now your blog posts and the long text sections will be clean, inviting, and easy for your visitors to navigate, keeping them engaged and exploring more of your amazing content.